Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Sony Alpha, and now I'm gonna show you how to change and how to enable or how to disable lens compensation feature on this camera. And open my menu. Then on the first block and second page on your settings, you will see lens comp settings. This is lens compensation. And inside we have, as you can see, shading compensation, chromatic aberration compensation, and distortion compensation. So, for example, shading compensation. If you have enabled auto mode, so the camera automatically corrects the vignetting, which is when the corner of the image are darker than the center of the image. This helps ensure even lighting across the entire image. Of course, if you will disable it, so no shading correction is applied. Cool. Chromatic aberration compensation. So when auto, so the camera automatically corrects for chromatic aberration, so which is colors ringing around the edges of objects, often seen as purple or green outlines. This makes the edges cleaner and more accurate. And of course, when disabled, when off, no chromatic aberration correction. And distortion, so when auto, so camera automatically corrects for lens distortion, which is when straight liner appear curved photos, especially at the edges. So as you can see, this function in my case disabled right now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.